This FLL season was all about archaeology, so we did a lot of research to learn more. We read lots of books and magazines and went on a bunch of field trips. One place we went to was the RISD Museum in Providence, Rhode Island. We learned about how bones were excavated, reconstructed, and then preserved into full skeletons.
One of the books that we read is an archaeological magazine about bones and about archaeology. Now, we read an article in this, and one article that deeply gave us a bit of interest was this article about archaeologists digging in Poland. In this article, archaeologists dig in Nazi-era mass graves in Poland to study their history and everything. But in this, they discovered a problem that many of these skulls and the bones have detached from the actual skeleton, so they don't know how many bodies there were.
This is a femur. It's easy to identify whether it's right or left whenever it's next to the skeleton. But whenever it's inside of a big pile of bones, you won't know which one is which. That's why we created our AI teachable machine to identify different bones for us.
If you look at this bone, it's a little bone, you can probably easily tell that it's a foot bone. However, if you remove the foot itself, it's much harder to identify, and you're probably wondering what part of your body it's from. Well, using our teachable AI, which is based off of which it takes photos of several different classes so that it can train it, you can show a bone and it will tell what class it is. So that class could be a rib cage, or a skull, or an arm bone, or a leg bone, like this one, or even a femur like that one. And using our teachable AI, then we more easily analyze and figure out which one is which, and help us figure out what bones are which on the pile of bones.
To train our machine learning model, we needed bones, but we couldn't just use your average Halloween decoration. We needed life-size, anatomically accurate bones. So we got a skeleton that was used in biology classes.
It may not look like much when it's all put together, but the human body is really just a big jigsaw puzzle. It has over 206 bones inside of an average human body, and when archaeologists find just one tiny bone, it's hard to identify which one it is. And archaeologists might not know all their bones by heart, so that's why our AI training model helps. This is our AI teachable machine. As you can see, we have 5 classes: the femur, lower leg, arm, skull, and mandible. Through this model, we put in 500 images or more for each class, and while we train it, it goes through 2 hidden layers and 200 epochs. That means how many run-throughs the model does in order to properly train itself. And we'll give you a preview of this model.
So here we have a sample of the lower leg from our skeleton model, and as you can see, when you put it up and the model views it, it shows 100% accuracy that this is a lower leg. So we made sure that our model has at least 80% to 100% accuracy of their decision on what the bone is. So as you can see, it shows 100% accuracy of the lower leg, which this is. So